Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make banana bread, and it's a really simple recipe and it works out every time for me, so it's really hard to screw this one up. It doesn't require any chia egg or flax egg, so you don't need to prepare any vegan substitute egg. It just uses oil as the emulsifier. And it's fluffy, and it also has this beautiful crust on the outside, because I don't know about you, but I don't really like my banana bread to have, like, I don't like it to be really moist and kind of like mushy. I like it to be kind of more, not dry, but like a little bit more crumbly and just have like a firmer outside. So like a nice golden crust. And I have this with butter, a vegan butter that I use, and it's delicious. It's super tasty, super quick, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. So as usual, all of the measurements will be in the description down below. For this recipe, you are going to need 2 very ripe bananas, half a cup of chopped walnuts, 1/4 cup of plant milk, I'm using soy milk, 1/3 cup of neutral flavoured oil, I'm using grapeseed oil, half a cup of sugar, I'm using coconut sugar, but you can use regular sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 cups of flour, and I'm using spelt flour, but of course you can just use regular flour as well. And this is what I'm going to be baking it in, so just a silicone cake mold, and make sure that you've lined that with parchment paper and greased it. So next I'm just adding the baking powder and the bicarb soda to the flour and mixing it all together. And then instead of using a fork to mash the banana, which you can totally do, I took the easy way out and just put it into my NutriBullet and just blitzed that until it was all smooth. Then just pour the mashed banana into a large bowl, and then you can add the sugar and the oil and the milk. And then you can stir that, give it a quick mix, and you can add the vanilla essence as well. And then add half the flour, so not the flour all at once, just half. And you don't have to sift it or anything, and making sure that you don't over mix this mixture as well, just till it's basically all combined. And then if you're adding walnuts, you can start chopping them up and adding that to the mixture as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.